TBS News, I'm Rosine Park. As South Korea prepares to shift to a new living with COVID-19 strategy that will ease tough social distancing rules, authorities warn people must not let their guard down too quickly. Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum said today that it's likely not everyone will continue to adhere to disease prevention measures, such as wearing masks, when the new strategy takes effect next month. Starting November 1st, the government will begin a three-phase transition for the return to pre-pandemic life. It will first focus on easing restrictions for fully vaccinated individuals. Kim reiterated that a system where people will have to show proof of inoculation or a negative test result will take effect on Monday. He also expressed concern about potential risks associated with Halloween festivities this weekend. He reminded that the vaccination rate among young adults and foreign residents still remains low, adding that complacency could lead to another mass coronavirus outbreak. Local health authorities have tallied less than 1,500 new COVID-19 cases for the third consecutive day. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency reported 1,266 new cases in the previous 24 hours, raising the total caseload to 354,355. The death toll hit 2,788, with the loss of 15 more lives to the virus. The agency said so far, 70.9% of people in the country have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The government and ruling Democratic Party have agreed to lower taxes on gasoline, diesel, and liquefied petroleum gas butane by 20%, the largest ever cut. That will start for 6 months from November 12th to April 30th. The move aims to help people at the pump amid concerns about inflation and rising oil prices. Under the plan, gas prices will go down by 164 won per liter and diesel by 161 per liter. Current 2% tariffs on liquefied natural gas imports will be dropped to zero over the same period. The crisis in Myanmar after the military takeover in February is on the agenda for a regional summit that's just begun in Brunei. The BBC's Jonathan Head has the latest.
At the moment, there's a lot of bad blood between ASEAN and the military, and it's not clear where the ASEAN envoy, the Bruneian foreign minister, where he can go next. He's been blocked effectively from starting his mission and going to Myanmar because the military is refusing to allow him to meet Aung San Suu Kyi. So I think that really hangs over this summit, and is an internal problem for ASEAN. Normally, we're far more interested in the engagement of the big powers like the US and China and their interests in this region. But for ASEAN, this absolute dilemma over Myanmar is something they cannot resolve at the moment.
The United States has suspended a big aid package to Sudan amid worldwide condemnation of the military coup there. Ned Price is the State Department spokesman.
Military officials should immediately release and ensure the safety of all detained political actors, fully restore the civilian-led transitional government, and refrain from any violence against protesters, including the use of live ammunition. In light of these developments, the United States is pausing assistance from the $700 million in emergency assistance appropriations of economic support funds for Sudan.
That's all the news for now. You're listening to TBS eFM.